students, in the previous class we have gone through the type number 1, that was range related questions. Today we will go for type number 2, that is simplest form for the inverse trigonometrical, simplest form for the inverse trigonometrical trigonometrical functions. For that, first of all, we will go for their basic rules. What are the rules which we have to follow to get the simplest form for any inverse trigonometrical functions? So here is the rules. Whenever and wherever in mathematics, if you are having a square minus x square, put x is equal to a sine theta or a cos theta. Second, wherever and whenever you are having a square plus x square, for that put x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. Third, if you are having x square minus a square, put x is equal to a sec theta and or a cosec theta. Now, how will you use these rules in terms of the example? Here is the example I am putting. Suppose you have to find tan inverse of x upon, you have to write down the simplest form for that, simplest form for tan inverse x upon root under a square minus x square, where x is mod of x is less than a. What we'll do first here, we'll put x is equal to a sine theta, as earlier I have mentioned the rule. So I'm putting that, and then we'll go for the question. This is tan inverse a sine theta upon root under a square minus a square sine square theta, and then it will be tan inverse of a sine theta, and this is root under a square, will take common a1 minus sine square theta, and that will be tan inverse of a sine theta upon root under a square cos square theta, that will be finally tan inverse of a sine theta upon a cos theta, and then it will be tan inverse of tan theta, and finally tan will go out. This is a theta. From the supposition from here we can put sine theta is equal to x by a, therefore theta is equal to sine inverse x by a. So what is the simplest form for this composition? This is sine inverse x by a. In the same manner, I am putting another example for that. Suppose example I am putting here, this is, we have to find the tan inverse, simplest form of tan inverse root under 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x, and x should not equal to 0. We have to write down the simplest form. Write down the simplest form. Write down the simplest form for the above mentioned question. How will go from? As we are seeing here, this is 1 plus x square, a square plus x square. For that, we have a rule. Put x is equal to tan theta, because here a is 1. So by putting so, this will be tan inverse of root under 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. That will give you, this is tan inverse of sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. that will give you, in terms of the sine and cos, will change the brackets, and it will be 1 by cos theta minus 1 upon sine theta by cos theta. And overall, when we'll solve it inside the bracket, this will be tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta. And when we'll go with the formula related to the submultiple angles, so this is 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. And also sine theta can be written down sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. By cancelling all these, this will be tan inverse of sine theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. And further, it will be tan inverse of tan theta by 2. That will be theta by 2. What that mean? When we put for theta, this is tan inverse x by 2. So the simplest form for the given example ever will be tan inverse x by 2. So this is the way to solve the examples related to the simplest form. More or less, suppose you are having another example, example number third, like tan inverse, you have to find that cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta plus sine theta. Here also I am not solving it, rather I am giving the indication for this one. You just divide the numerator and denominator with the cos theta. You will have a composition like this: tan inverse 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Further, jumping over with the result, this is tan inverse 10 pi by 4 minus theta, and then it will be nothing but this will be pi by 4 minus theta will be the simplest form. You can easily understood this one. With these examples and the type number 2 category, I am attaching few questions for you. Just go through that. If you are getting well and good, not getting, just put it on the reverse it to me. Definitely I will put the answer for that. Hopefully you will do the things, because extended concept right now I am not able to communicate you. So I am stopping here only, saying you just go through that. Thank you for today.